The 2012 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 kilometers. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.